Am I audible, sir? Hello. Mas- Hello. Audible? Yes. See, last class we discussed actually MCQ and 4 is risk. Today I'm going to discuss the third unit. After that, tomorrow we can start the freshly new class. Just you can answer me one by one. Then you can do before you have a class 9 to 10 biology means you can inform to biology madam. We have a class by 10 o'clock math class like this. Better you can come at least 1 or 2 minutes late. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Hello? Hello? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the proper solution of the problem of vibrating string. This among these four, which is the correct answer? It's correct solution. A is what y of x comma t, a to the power of kx, b to the power of minus kx something. Second is what ax plus b, ct plus d. Third one is what a cos lambda x. We done actually px I done actually px and pax I told he is using lambda. Don't worry. Some one textbook one way they will follow. C is what cos lambda x, b sin lambda x, c cos lambda at, d sin lambda at. D is ax plus b. Which is correct answer in this?
C,
C.
sir.
So, but if they ask possible solutions, these three can write. Which is the correct solution? Which this is the solution. Second, one-dimensional wave equation. What is the one-dimensional wave equation among these four equations?
B, sir.
Hmm? What? One-dimensional wave equation is what? D. Yeah. Yes. No, no, not D. Correct, sir.
B, sir. B.
Huh? B. B for ball.
Yes, sir.
So B is correct. Actually, with T there is no coefficient like this. You can remember. Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square by x square. Already I told you. Y differentiate with respect to 2 times. Y differentiate with respect to x minus 2 times means what? 2 initial conditions, 2 boundary conditions. Okay, yeah. Then in wave equation, yes, this already we done. Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou square. A square stands for what is the A square? I explained there. In video also I separately told this guarantee they will ask 2 marks question like guarantee question like this. What is A square, sir? Tension by mass or mass by tension? Sir, if people are there or not? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Tension by mass. Correct? Not studying, sir. In each equation, dou u by dou t, a square into dou square by d, a square stands. No, that is completed. Then a square stands what? K by rho r, K by rho c. Tell me, sir. At least I have some PDF notes, open and see. Don't see blindly on my screen itself. Open PDF and see what is our S constants.
Kappa by rho c, sir.
Huh?
Kappa by rho c. C
K.
option. C
C.
option.
Yes. The thermal conductivity and specific heat I told you, no. Then one time heat equation in steady state is what is the answer? In steady state, which is the correct answer? One dimensional heat equation in steady state. Already you done in steady state zero boundary conditions, in steady state non-zero boundary condition. How you solve problem?
Sir, B, sir.
Huh? B,
B, sir.
D, D. D for dog.
No, sir. B, B.
Huh?
B for ball, sir.
No. B is dou square U by dou T square. In one dimensional equation, T is second degree. What is the equation? Tell me. Dou U by dou T is equal to alpha square into dou square U by dou X square. That is called one dimensional wave. One dimensional heat equation. Correct? Then there is not T second degree. D is correct actually. We solved, U is equal to AX plus B. I done or not? At X A is equal to 0 degrees, at B is equal to 40 degrees. Until steady state condition prevail. Breaking the steady state, I told or not? Forgotten. Not studying, sir. Very bad. People are there or also I don't know. I am only asking questions, I am only telling answer. One way is traffic only here. The proper solution of ut is equal to alpha square into uxx is. First condition is what? Ax plus bc. Second is a cos lambda x, b sin lambda x, e power minus alpha square x square lambda. E power minus alpha square lambda square t. This is no minus. So which is correct answer? Which is correct answer, sir? You done problems. How you start? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0, U of x comma t is equal to 0, U of x comma 0 is equal to f of x. You done or not? First class A is equal to 0, Px is what P I written is given lambda. Both are same only. What when
B,
I did?
sir.
Huh?
B, sir.
P. So C not because minus not there, correct? Then the proper solution of steady heat flow problem is solution is asking. What you will get? Dou square u
C,
by dou
sir.
x
C.
square 2 times
C.
if you integrated means what you will get u is equal to ax plus b. Correct or not? So answer is what? B. Okay, yeah. Say at least okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Correct or right?
Okay, sir.
Maybe sometimes I may give wrong answer. Again, I want to check actually. I am not that keen much of you. Okay. Then one dimensional heat equation is here you see which is one dimensional equation, tell me. Dou square u by dou square is Laplace equation waste. Dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square. Then next case is what? Dou square u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square. Dou u by dou x is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou t square, which is correct equation. One complete equation. I told you
B.
if the given problem is what, first you can write the solution, the equation you can write, then boundary condition, then correct solution you can start. They don't give always equation, so you should remember. So B is correct answer. How many initial boundary conditions are required? Solve dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square. Initial boundary conditions. How many conditions? Already I told you. U with respect to t, how many times differentiating? 1. U with respect to x, how many times differentiating? 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to how much? 3. Yeah, what happened? Last class nicely you said answer to people are, what happened? Are you okay, all of you? Very first class, why so much of dull? Right or wrong? Tell me. I will make it correct. So 3. Similarly, you can say how many initial and boundary conditions required? Dou square u by dou square y dou x square alpha square into dou square y by dou x. Sorry, dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square. Same story. Y differentiate with respect to t 2 times. Y differentiate x with respect to 2 times. So how many conditions? 2 plus 2 how much?
4, sir.
4. So answer is 4. So how many times you can differentiate variable, independent variable, they can see that much of boundary conditions they have to do for solving the problem. Right. One dimensional wave equation used to find temperature, displacement, time, mass.
Displacement, sir.
Very good. One dimensional equation used to find density, temperature distribution, time, displacement. What is U of T? U of x comma T is what? That is nothing but what? Density, temperature of distribution, time, displacement. Question itself available one dimensional heat means what?
Temperature, sir.
Temperature.
Temperature distribution. Actually, some textbook normally they have to use theta. Some textbooks use normally notation. No, in a research paper, all they use theta only for temperature distribution because they are giving you what it's not a big issue. Equation you can see and you can attack actually. Correct or not? So heat flow. Actually, there is not one dimensional heat flow equation. Heat flow means nothing but temperature. Heat flow from dash temperature, higher to lower, uniform, lower to higher, stable. This is not an engineering question. Everyone can answer.
A.
Temperature, how it will go from higher temperature to lower,
High,
uniform to lower, lower to higher,
high to
stable.
low, sir.
Very good. Actually, that is the definition of the temperature flow. Always temperature will move to higher temperature to low. Where is the low? It will go uniform. That will go there will stay. Okay. The tension T caused the stretching string before fixing it at endpoint C's. Increasing, decreasing, constant, zero. You note down actually what answers you are telling. Finally, we see the how many you said correct. We find out. See, you people are not front of me. Just even Google it and see, at least open textbook and see. Nobody will catch you. You can do at least some criminal things. Tell me answer. I will be happiest person in this universe. Don't sit idly. Try. Answer you can try. Seriously you can try. Whatever you can do. No problem. You can find. Tell me answer.
So 0.
Note down. I don't know. I will find out finally. 0 or increasing, decreasing, constant 0. Tell me. Then again, anyone? One boy said 0. Zero tension means we cannot fix that. There should be tension, but how it will maintain? Constant. Next. Which question we are standing? 15. Yes. A string is stretched between two fixed points. X is equal to 0, that is x is equal to L or x is equal to 1. Then initial conditions are, what are the conditions? There is no vibration.
Yes, sir.
So how you will do? 0 comma t is equal to 0, 0 comma x comma t is equal to 0, x comma t is equal to 0. No. Then second condition, no. Then third condition, you see, y of 0 comma t, x is equal to 0, 0, x is equal to L, L or 1 whatever may be. L comma t is equal to 0. So which is correct solution? Answer.
C, sir.
Huh? C. Correct. The amount of heat required to produce a given temperature change in a body proportional to weight of the body, mass of the body, density of the body, tension of the body.
The mass of the body. Mass of the body.
Density of the body and yes. Next. The general solution of the displacement of the string length L vibrating between two fixed points, initial velocity 0 and initial displacement f of x is. So he's asking next. Final condition is asking actually. After finding three conditions, fourth condition we do, what is this? Initial velocity 0. So what will do? Which is the solution?
Option A, sir.
Huh?
Option A, sir.
A. Sin n flexible cos n by a t by L actually. That is the solution. After that we can do. X of 0 means this become actually after a sin series. So initially velocity is there means what? This fellow become actually B become answer. Correct or not? You can think like simultaneously. The steady state temperature of a rod length L whose ends kept at 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Then find the answer. So what is telling? U of 0 comma t is equal to 30. U of L comma T is equal to 40. U is equal to steady state solution is what AX plus B. Substitute and do what value getting tell me. Solve. Sir, all of you okay or not? Night are you watching any cricket team match? Now you are sleeping, I think so, in classroom. Solve, sir. Everything I given in your hand. U of 0 comma U of 0 is equal to 30. U of L is equal to 40. U is equal to AX plus B. Substitute and tell me what is there. You have
Sir, A, sir.
Yeah, come on, right or wrong, something speak out.
A, sir.
Huh? Solved, huh? First what you will get, U of 0 means okay, 30 degrees, very good. A or B chances. Then if you substitute 40 means what? 40 is equal to AX. Okay, 40 minus 30, 30. Okay. But you can solve 19. When the ends of the rod non-zero for one-dimensional heat flow equation, the temperature X of the modified as a sum of steady state, transient state temperature. The transient part of the solution is increasing with increasing of time, decreasing with increase of time, increasing with decrease of time, decreasing with decrease of time. Tell me. When the ends of the rod is non-zero for one-dimensional heat flow equation, the temperature configures of the modified as the sum of steady state and the transient state. Okay, so non-zero bonding is already we done like a the solution we done in view of US of x and ut of x comma t. You know the transient part of the solution which increases with increase of time, decreases with increase of time, increases with decrease of time, decrease with decrease of time. Okay, at least 20th answer you can tell me this already we done this problem. 19th I come back. 20th we done actually. Until steady state prevails, then condition is given by. What is the answer? 20th problem, same problem we done actually. And B decreases to 0 degrees, then this is the initial temperature we done. You know what is the problem?
B, sir.
Very good. Seeing the question itself, you can tell. That is only our friend. Then what about 19th? Decreases with increases time. A by rho C, T by M correct, this is correct, this is correct. A cos x, U is equal to AX plus B. Three solutions, four solution, okay, displacement, temperature higher to lower, constant, what is constant? Tension constant, okay. Tension is constant, boundary conditions. This is mass of density is what? Temperature, temperature maintained according to, okay. This is 17 B correct, okay. Then 100, this is 10x plus L correct. Decrease with increase, then this only we missed, okay. U of x comma 0, 100. Okay, done. These all are already a zip file, one file I should send you that you can download and read this. Maybe second cycle list, maybe if it is MCQ means what may be useful. Correct or not? Then, so next class when we are having? Next class. Hello.
There are two, sir.
That is second order. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we don't have tomorrow enough. Actually 2, 4, 5. I think so. Correct? Huh? Then we meet on second order actual normal time. Okay. Then okay, leave this. You can practice. Maybe I completed Fourier series, and this is what application of PD also. This you can practice. Now you can leave, sir.